is here, I will survive. Whoa, whoa, my God is love, I will survive. Yeah, yeah, I do not worry, I know love is here. I do not cry, love lives with me. My God is here, God is love. Whoa, whoa. The storm shall rise, the tempest will rage. Only the wise prepares for this stage. Prepare my heart, set me apart. Whoa, oh,
Please sit down. You know how I hate it when you stand around like servants.
But that is what we are, Madam Olivia. We are servants, so it's not bad if we act like servants.
I've never believed in masters or servants, and I never will. So please, sit down. Fine, whatever. Samson.
Madam.
Joe?
Madam.
Mina?
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Edith, please. I shall be closing down the house and going away for a while. I don't know when I'll be back. So the content in the envelope should help you start a new life. Eh?
Jesus Christ! 6 million naira! 6 million.
6 million? What in God's name am I going to do with all this money? Something must be wrong somewhere.
6 million naira here. I'm sure I'm dreaming.
Samson. Samson. I think we should ask Madam of what is really going on. 6 million naira for each of us is just too much money.
Madam, Geoffrey is here to see you.
I know, I can see. Anything else? Did 2 people need to come tell me Geoffrey is here?
We are worried about you, madam. something going on, please tell us. We are your servants, and also like your sisters and brothers. We have been living with you in this house since your mother who employed us died. We are shocked at the 6 million naira check you gave to each of us as a payoff. And your sudden decision to close down this house, saying you're going away. We are really worried.
There's nothing wrong. I want to do something different with my life right now. Besides, do you guys want to die as servants? Don't you aspire to be something else? Don't you like the opportunity I'm giving you to live your life? Now, please, tell Jeffrey I'll be with him in a second. Offer him something to drink.
Okay, ma.
Do you love me?
Oh, babes, please. Of course you know I love you. I love you very much.
Will you always love me?
Baby, I'll always love you. Always.
Till death do us part.
But why all these questions?
It's getting worse.
And what is getting worse?
It could be any minute now. Any day.
Olivia, what are you talking about?
I went to see the doctor and he said...
Hey, Olivia, please. I don't care what the doctor said. Whatever he has to say, let him tell me in person. Please, I don't want this. Honestly, Olivia, I don't want this. Please.
Sickle cell anemia is not a death sentence, except the crisis becomes more constant and regular. Well, what happened is that the red blood cells, which should be spherical in shape, instead have the shape of a sickle and thus cannot move freely through the blood, causing clog in the vessels, and hemoglobin cannot reach the organs. In Olivia's case, there is splenic sequestration.
Doctor, please, what is splenic sequestration?
Well, splenic sequestration is a condition whereby the spleen is overworked due to too much bad blood to filter, and this causes a shrink. And of course, this could be life-threatening. Well, I'm not saying there is no hope for her. There's still hope. Young man, I'm not done yet.
Jeffrey. Excuse me, let's go.
Listen to me. Johnny, you're not going to die. I won't let you die. If there ever is hope in this world, I will help you find it. I'll go anywhere with you, and I'll do everything for you. I will be intoxicated with the desire to see you smile every day of your life. Wherever you go, I follow. Where you rise, I will rise. And if you fall, my love, if you fall, I'll fall with you.
Your words are very comforting. They drive away my fears already. I'm okay with that. But what I really need right now is a change of environment. I need to go away. And I want you to come with me. I mean, Even if I'm going to.
Oh, honey, don't say this,
no.
please. Sweetie, you're not going to die.
Let me say it. Even if I will die, I want to go knowing that I spent the last days of my life on earth with you. So, come with me. Let's go away. Let's rent a small house. Take a few clothes. Enough food for two. Leave all these complications behind. I'll leave my father's wealth. I don't care about it right now. I'll leave it to charity. I just want to be with you. Will you come with me?
Honey, I already told you so. I'll go anywhere with you. I'll always be there for you. I'll be intoxicated with the desire to see you smile every day of your life. Trust me.
I love you.
I love you too.
Madam, are you sure you have enough in the bag to last you the trip?
Yes, Joe. I have everything I need. Thank you.
At least carry more things. You don't know how long you'll be there.
Ma, are we never going to see you again? When are you coming back?
I don't know when I'll be back, but don't worry, I'll be fine. No, please bring out my bag. I'll go by myself.
Let him drop you, please.
No, it's okay. I'll go by myself. Come, give me your phone.
No, but why?
Take care. Here. Take this. I want to use your own phone instead. Thank you. I'll be fine. I prayed for you. God will bless whatever you decide to do with your lives. And I'll see you when I come.
Something so good, so priceless, so precious has gone out of our lives.
What is this now?
Okay, please give me a minute, alright? I won't be long. Just wait here.
Do you want me to bring down your luggage?
No, it's fine. I'll be back.
It's just that people are not supposed to trust taxi drivers with their luggage.
Oh, that's my biggest fault. I'm too trusting. Hi, Okon.
Good morning.
Morning. Where's Geoffrey? I've been trying to call him. His phone is not even going through.
Actually, he traveled out this morning.
Traveled?
Yes, to the west, I think, to see his parents. But he has a letter for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Madam, where?
Anyway. Take me anywhere.
Should I take you back to the same place I picked you?
Take me to Lugbe or anywhere else around there.
Now, Lugbe is far. I hope you know that.
Bro, I feel like Judas Iscariot, the betrayer.
You can't be Judas. Judas betrayed his master. Olivia is not your master.
Then I am Brutus, the betrayer of his friend.
Wrong again. You can't be Brutus. Brutus killed his king and friend. Olivia is not your king, she's only a girl.
Nwokoye, you don't understand. Look, one mind tells me that I've done a very terrible thing, and the other just tells me that I've been wise. Look, how can I choose to be saddled with a sick and dying girl and defer my education? I don't have enough reason to gamble with my future now. I don't.
Geoffrey, if that question is meant for me, then I'll say I don't know. You're the one who loves Olivia. You should know better.
I love her. I love her, but I just didn't bargain for this now.
My friend.
I didn't bargain for this.
My friend. Then your love is coward. Your love is chicken. It can't survive the fire. Well, if I were in your shoes, I'll do the same.
Meaning?
I'm equally as confused as you are in the whole matter. Go and get ready for your lectures. I'll be out soon.
Never say you will go from this life. Never feel it, never want it, never think it, never wish it. It's a beautiful life.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. I hope your night was good. Well, I kind of slept well. There were just a few mosquitoes, but it was okay.
I'm sorry about that.
Thank you.
Are you going out?
Yes. I just want to look around a bit.
Have fun.
I'll try.
I wonder why someone doesn't just tell you to shut up your mouth over the fact that I've taken you to court for divorce. I wonder.
And why did you have to do that? Huh? Didn't you think?
Oh yes, I thought. I thought of you and your boyfriend Sam. That was all I thought of. And that is all I've been thinking of since I found out. And that was what I thought of when I went to court. Simple.
Oh, you should be thinking about your daughter too. And the trauma this whole divorce proceeding is putting her through.
Mommy, please, it's enough. Let's go inside now, please.
Listen to me. Your father was insensitive. Is insensitive and will continue to be an insensitive man.
I see. Yes. So I am insensitive because I chose to divorce a woman who was unfaithful to me. Eh?
I wasn't unfaithful.
I see.
Yes. Where is your proof? Where is your proof, Obi?
Mommy!
Look, your father wants us to be uncared for, and I won't let him. Yes, you won't win this case.
Then get a lawyer and face me in court. Very simple.
Daddy!
Hey, shut up, you little girl. I have ceased to be your daddy. You and your mommy are out of my life for good. And you better get ready to quit from this house.
This one?
Yes.
Mommy, please.
I am waiting for you to come and drive me out. Yes.
Mommy, please.
Look, he really has to stop coming here to trouble us all. You, we shall meet in court.
Best, we shall meet there then. I will see you in court. Nonsense.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is Olivia. I'm here for the job of a governess. But don't worry, just tell your mother I'll come back some other time. I can see it's a bad time.
No, wait. I'm sure my mommy would like to see you. Come with me.
I am comfort. The problem is we may not be able to pay you much. Anyway, have you got any experience? I mean, have you ever been a governess before?
No, not really. But I know I will do well.
Mom, she's so beautiful.
Yes, she is.
Oh, thank God you're here. I was about leaving.
Oh, you.
How are you?
Hi. What are you doing here?
I came to check on you. Yesterday you were looking very sad in the car, so I was a bit worried about you. Are you feeling better now?
I'm fine. That's very sweet of you.
Thank you. David.
David. Yes. Ah, David. Like the man in the Bible. He was a good man. But he liked women. A great deal. And that was a joke. Where's your car?
Oh, I came with this. No. You know, I do airport shuttling sometimes, especially on Wednesdays when the diplomats come, so I use it to carry them, you know, the big people.
Oh. Well, what are you doing tomorrow? I need to go into town, if you don't mind.
About what time would you want me to come?
As early as 7.
Okay, I had an appointment, but I could, you know, shuffle it. How about here?
Thank you very much, David. See you tomorrow.
By Olivia?
Wait, I didn't tell you my name.
Oh, the hotel. When I came, you know, the receptionist, I described the lady I dropped yesterday. So she said, oh, that must be Miss Olivia. So I grabbed the name from there.
I see.
One more thing. I didn't like it when you said David likes him in a great deal.
Come on, I told you that was a joke.
Okay, I don't like women a great deal. I just wanted to correct that impression. No. I like women, okay? I like women. I mean, I like women, but you, a great deal.
Okay.
Tomorrow then.
Yeah.
You said 7 o'clock?
Yes, 7.
Okay, I'll be here.
How could you hurt the one you claim to love? You promised me so much. You promised.
Well, obviously I promised in a hurry. I actually promised without thinking. I mean, come to think of it, Olivia, this is crazy. How could I have promised you my life? How did I promise you my education? How could I have promised you my very future? Was I nuts?
The same way I would give those things to you without batting an eye. Ask them from me, my education, my life, my future. I will give them to you without thinking.
Well, you can afford to say those things now because you're... Look, Olivia, that's where we're both different, okay? I think with my brain.
And your heart?
Well, my heart acts according to the instructions of my brain and not the other way around.
You know, Truffy, this isn't you. This person talking is not you. Do you realize I'm living my last days? I could vanish from the face of this earth any minute. All I ask is to spend these last days with you. That's all. Look, come, just come with me. Sit. Please. Listen to me. I've gotten a job already. Okay? A very simple family. The pay is good for me. They've offered me a room in the house. Look, just wait. Come with me. Right? It's not even far from the city. Okay, you can still go for lectures if that's what you want. If you don't want to stay there with me, or rent a room or a flat, whatever you want, just come with me.
Olivia, this is crazy. I mean, you have a beautiful mansion. What's wrong with us living there? Instead of living some squalid life in some hovel in a slum. Why?
Look, I have enough of that life, all right? I want another. I want one without servants waiting at my beck and call or the generator coming on when the light goes off. I want a simple life and I want it with you. That's the only way I will die happy. Don't you understand? Geoffrey, please. Please. Come with me.
My love is here. I will survive. Whoa, whoa.
Olivia, what's wrong?
Take it to them and send some. Go.
Are you right?
See, I should never have brought you here. I knew he was going to make you cry again. Come here, just let me go. Are you alright? Are you alright? Doctor, is she better now?
Are you the young man that brought Miss Olivia in?
Obviously, doctor.
You shall with me. Okay, please come with me.
The storm shall rise, the tempest will rage. Only the lies and ask for the stage. Prepare my heart, set me apart.
Excuse me. Please don't stay too long. And don't let her talk too much. She needs a lot of rest. Okay, doctor, is that okay?
Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
I must say you gave me quite a scare.
If you hang around me a bit longer, you get used to it. I faint. Sometimes.
So, are they going to let you go soon? Or should I wait around and drop you off at home?
No. Doctor insists that I have to stay overnight this time. And it's such a mess considering I have a lot to do.
Well, sorry about that. Is there anything I can help you out with?
Yes, actually. 2 things. I need to inform my new employer that I won't be coming unless I lose my newly found job.
You need to keep your hand. Okay, fine. So I can just go over there and tell him you took ill?
No. Please don't tell her I'm sick. But they think they've employed a fragile person for the job. Nah. You can tell her I traveled, went to get my stuff, and I won't be back till tomorrow or something. And secondly, I need you to go back to my boyfriend's house. Geoffrey, the place you've been taking me. Just let him know I'm here and he needs to come see me.
The same guy who makes you cry all the time? So why don't you just call him on phone instead?
Tried. He's not picking. I guess he still feels guilty about the way he's treated me.
So, what did the doctor say is wrong with you?
I'm sick. I'm very sick. I get weak and then I faint. But don't worry, once I'm in here, I'm fine. As good as new.
You sure you're gonna be alright?
Yeah.
The drip, I think it's trying a little bit faster than that. All right, get in, let's go.
No.
Get in the car.
I said no. And I don't think it's even wise for me to go to the hospital and see her. I don't.
Geoffrey, get in the car. She wants to see you. She's not well. I mean, this is ridiculous. You have such a pretty girl on a platter of gold and you treat her like this. I mean, something is wrong with you, right?
Well, I don't know about your values, boy.
First of all, I'm not a boy, I'm a man.
I don't know about your values, but I tell you what,
A girl that is at the terminal stage of sickle cell anemia. It's not the kind of girl I like to hang out with. You feel me, right? Bro, Olivia is dying.
Olivia is dying?
Yes. Olivia is dying. Jesus Christ. She may not even last a year. Jesus Christ. Now, if that doesn't scare you, it scares the pants off me. You're shocked, right? Well, I can see you've not known her for so long. And from the look of things, you also like her a lot. Well, that's cool by me. At least she'll have a replacement now that I'm gone, because, I mean, it's crazy. I can't continue loving a girl who can drop dead at any time. I don't know. Besides, I just shut up! Hey, look, just listen to me. Hey. Look, I'm not a bad guy, all right? I'm not a bad guy. I'm just scared. I'm afraid of her death. I'm not a bad guy.
Just discharged me. Did you find Geoffrey?
If you lost a silver coin and you found a gold coin, would that make you happier?
I don't care for silver or gold. I prefer diamonds. They last forever.
Just answer the question.
Okay, yes. If I lost my silver coin and found a gold one, I would be ecstatic. What's with all the questions?
The real gold and diamonds are in the future. You must stop focusing too much attention on this Geoffrey of a guy. You must stop letting him weigh you down.
Like we all know, life can be cruel sometimes. Not everybody you love you back equally. Strange. What's going on? What is it?
Nothing. Let's go.
Auntie Olivia, do you like your new room?
Yes, baby. It's nice.
It used to be my mommy and daddy's room till he left us. Now nobody sleeps here. Even my mom does not like to come here because it reminds her the days we lived in peace with daddy and it makes her cry. Auntie Olivia, Do you think Mommy will begin to come to this room now that you're the one staying here?
Well, I don't know. But maybe if I smile more and your mommy sees how happy I am in this room, she'll start to come back in. What do you think? Good. See, I told you.
What is going on?
Nothing.
Anyway, how are you settling down?
Very well, Mrs. Roberts. Not bad. I like.
Comfort. Call me Comfort. And very soon that Mrs. will even get on my name. Anyway, you see, besides being a governess to a tutor to my daughter, whilst I'm at work, I also want us to be friends. Because aside Bobby, I don't have any friend.
To be my greatest pleasure.
All right, food will be ready by the time you finish settling down. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
Bobby, Mommy needs a hand in the kitchen. Help me wash the dishes then, okay?
Okay, yeah. Mommy. I'll be back after I finish washing the dishes for my mom.
Ha!
Are you sure you don't want me to help?
Okay. Thank you.
You look happy here already.
I am. And that's exactly what I need right now. One beautiful life. Seeing that I have no time left.
Don't worry, okay? You'll be fine.
You don't even know what I'm referring to. That's okay.
I do.
You do?
I do.
I told Dr. Thomas not to say anything.
See, Olivia, Dr. Thomas didn't say anything to me. Your boyfriend Ejiofor did.
What?
See, but it doesn't change anything. It doesn't change the way I feel about you. I've fallen in love with you, Olivia.
Very good. 4.
Papa.
Excellent. No 4. 1 more.
Lemon.
Clap for yourself, sweetheart. Good. Very good. Very good. I'm very impressed. For getting all your answers right, this is a gift. Even though, don't worry, even if you had failed, I'd have given you. Now, what's the next subject to do? Baby, what's wrong? Don't you like it?
Nobody has bought me a new dress since my father left us. Thank you, Aunt.
It's all right. Come on. I know your father hasn't left you. He'll be back, okay? Don't worry.
No, he won't come back. He has already sued Mommy for a divorce and is going to throw us out of this house.
Sweetheart, do you even know the meaning of the word divorce?
No, but I know that my mommy does not have enough money to pay a lawyer. School will soon resume and my mommy does not have enough money to pay for my school fees. That means I won't see my friends again.
Well, at least you have me and I have you. You and I can remain friends, can't we? Look, don't worry. Your mommy will get a lawyer and she will pay your school fees. Even if it means I have to contribute all my salaries and beg all my friends to contribute their own salaries. We'll get you a lawyer and you will win the case.
Auntie, is my mommy a bad woman?
No, honey. Why do you ask? What did she do?
Because Daddy was drinking too much and was not bringing money for food. My mommy borrowed money from Uncle Sam, my daddy's friend. The day he came to collect his money, my mommy was crying because she didn't have any money to give him. So he consoled my mommy like this and told her that she should stop crying, that everything would be alright. Then daddy walked in and was screaming and calling their names. And he backed out, and since he has been wicked to us. Auntie, is my mommy a bad woman for letting Uncle Sam hold her and clean her tears?
No, honey, no. No, your mom is not a bad woman. No.
Auntie, is my daddy a bad man?
Sweetheart, listen to me. It is not for us to judge who is bad and who is good. Alright? But I can promise you, everything will be alright. Okay? Now, cheer up and let's continue with our lesson. Now, what's our next topic?
Barbara! 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 Come, what's the problem? Who are you shrinking away from? Me? Now stand one place, you little devil. And listen to me very well. I have come for you to tell me the whole truth about Uncle Sam and your mother. How often does he come here whenever I'm away at work or even when I'm at the club? So tell me.
Daddy, first of all, I won't answer your question because you called me a little devil and I'm not a little devil.
Will you answer me, you hell-bound side? Now listen, you will go to hell if you disobey me. Now tell me the whole truth about your mother. Go ahead.
What's going on here? Good morning, sir. Could I sworn I heard loud voices. What is it, Bobby?
Will you leave her? Come down. Stay there. Now go ahead. Tell me the whole truth about your mother. And listen, this little soul will go to hell if you don't tell me the truth. Now go ahead.
God. Sir, what is the problem? And please, mind your choice of language. She's still a child.
Barbara, who is this squatter? Who is she? And what is her position in this house to question me? Oh, so your mother has resorted to getting beggars from the street and bringing them to this house and having them query me in the house that I'm paying rent?
I beg your pardon, sir. I am no beggar, and I'm definitely not from the streets.
Ah. Well, you go and get some help, because you certainly do look like a sick street beggar who is ready to drop dead the next minute. Get out of my sight. And you, I will come back. I will come back.
Auntie, please let us go inside. Mommy, she has been like this since then.
Olivia, Bobby has told me everything. And don't tell me you took the ranting of my ex-husband serious.
He called me sick. Sick and ready to die. Please cheer up.
Please cheer up. You know what he said is not true. You're fit and strong.
Auntie Olivia, stop crying.
No. No, please stop crying. Please.
I must say you have a taste for the good life, Mr. Obiora.
What do you want here? What do you want?
So, this is what the divorce is all about. Huh? You rent a new flat, furnish it like a young man, and then you get yourself a young mother. You use the fact that I asked your friend Sam for money as a big excuse. Things are beginning to get more interesting.
Come, who showed you my place? No, who showed you my new house? Who?
Obi, honey, please sort this out. I'll be in the bedroom.
I'll see you. Now, get out of the house. I said get out!
Oh my God. The monster himself has tended. And I'm shaking all over in fear. Well, Obi, listen to me. You can do whatever you please with your life. But what I will not take from you is to come to my house and insult my young daughter and her governance with your foul language and foul tongue.
Now, get out, you whore.
Come here.
What? No.
Believe this. I beg, stop.
Let me get some painkiller.
How can I call such a wicked man my husband? A man that beats a wife for me. You see what your father has done to me? Is it because I don't have anybody to fight for me? I will not forgive him. It's alright. God is going to punish this man.
Samson, my dear, please listen to me. I need your help.
My help? You already have it.
Okay, Okay, you know what? Can you meet me at the house tomorrow by 9 a.m. as early as 9?
I'll even be there by 8 o'clock. And let me share this good news with you. I now own a supermarket.
Are you serious? Samson, that's very good news. I'm happy to hear that.
Okay, thank you very much.
You know, I'm proud that you put the money I gave to you to good use. Very good. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, 9, don't forget.
Okay, bye-bye.
Are you ready? Okay, bring this too.
Why did you come here to live with us? Where do you come from?
You know something, Baby? Where we come from is not what matters. It's where we're going to. Life is too short, so I must live it to the fullest.
How would you do that?
By loving all things lovable
helping those who need my help, and most especially putting a smile on the faces of those I cherish, like you. Now, time for lesson. Open your page to page 2.
Olivia, good afternoon.
Something.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Okay.
Congratulations about your shop.
Thank you very much.
Very happy. Okay. Very quickly now. Something you have to do me a favor.
Okay.
Take this check. Okay. Go and cash it, eh? Okay. Go to number 10 Patrick Street at Lugbe. Ask for a Madam Comfort. Give the money to her. Tell her it's from an anonymous donor. Someone who has seen her plight in the hands of her husband and wants to help. Okay. She should use it and get herself a lawyer.
Okay, madam.
Please don't mention my name.
Okay. Okay. Hey, madam, I suppose you don't want me to ask any question.
You suppose correctly. Take care of yourself, okay? Thank you so much. Okay. I have to run.
Next, Satan took Jesus to the top of the very high mountain and showed him all the kingdoms of
all the good things he has done for me. I will praise him, I adore him, I always sing to his name. I am so happy.
I can see that.
I am so happy. Money, my sister.
Well, you won the lottery?
You see, when one is passing through pain and sorrow in life, one may lose hope and think that no one is looking or that no one cares. But there's always somebody who cares. And often through their kind gesture, they prove to us that we are not alone.
No, we're not alone.
What is this?
That's money. Sorry, so sorry.
Hello, madam, I've given the money to the family.
A good Samaritan who doesn't wish to be known sent us this money.
Really?
Yes. To cater for ourselves and to find a lawyer to represent me in court.
Hello, madam, I've given the money to the family.
When the divorce case comes up.
Oh, this is good news.
500,000 naira. See.
Wow.
See. My sorrow don't finish.
You need to go and keep this safe. Really, it's not a good
news. Look, I am ready to pay for your school fees. Alright. Hey! Give me 1 minute, I'll be back.
No problem.
1 minute,
I'll be here. Let's keep it safe. Don't worry, you deserve it.
Hey, madam.
Yes, Samson. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Sorry I had to cut the phone on you. I was in a place I couldn't talk freely. Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. All right. Good night, Samson.
Okay, thank you, madam. Good night, madam.
Bye.
Everybody says that we can make another house. A house is not a home. When you go, when you break on what we have, when you make it double, yes, you make me see you wanna go. Time after time, girl, I'm down on my knees. Girl, I'm praying for you.
Hello?
Hey!
I want to take you somewhere.
I'm home alone with Baby. What do I do? She has to come with me.
Alright, bring her along, girl.
Okay, 1 second.
Everybody says that we can make another house. A house is not a home. When you go.
You still haven't said where you're taking us.
A little suspense is good for the mind, my dear. Or don't you think so?
Well, this suspense is lasting 40 minutes already. Where exactly are you driving to?
Be patient, I'll somewhere there. Or do you think I'm taking you away to kill you?
I really think I'll be scared of death at this point in my life. Think again.
Everybody's afraid of death. And Olivia, you are not?
No, sweetie, I'm not.
Why? Even my mom is afraid of death.
Enough of the death talk, okay?
Okay, Aunt.
Everybody says that we can make another house. A house is not a home. When you go, when you break all what we have, when you make it double, yes, you make me see you wanna go. Time after time, girl, I'm down on my knees. Girl, I'm praying for us. God, I want us back together, sweet forever, like one.
You are welcome to my house. Please feel at home.
Your house?
Barbie, please explore the house while I talk to Auntie Olivia.
So, you are a taxi driver and you live in this kind of house. Explain.
Now, first of all, I'm not a taxi driver.
Clearly. I could tell there was something different about you. I mean, your charisma, your polished English, polite manner, which I know most taxi drivers in this country do not have. So, go ahead, surprise me some more.
You see, the first time I saw you standing by the roadside and flagging me down, I just saw this pretty, innocent-looking girl. And when you flagged me down, I stopped because I actually wanted to give you a ride.
Continue.
So, when you said, "Taxi! How much to hire you for 1 hour?" I just played along because I actually wanted to give you a ride, so I pretended to be a taxi driver. But I'm not a taxi driver.
Okay. So, what exactly are you?
Okay, let's just say I'm an event promoter. You see, I actually run my own event management company. And I'm in love with you. You don't have to say anything now. What I feel for you is enough for both of us. Okay, I'm happy to have known you, to have loved you, to have felt this way for somebody, to everything. Please, let me...
It won't last.
Olivia, even if it lasts for 1 day, I will happy, I will grateful to God to have known you, to have loved you, to have been with you, to have known a wonderful person like you. Even if it lasts 1 day, I'll be happy.
Words and more words. I heard that all before.
Olivia, I am not Geoffrey. I am not the same thing as Geoffrey.
Aunt, I'm tired. The house is beautiful.
Okay, come sit here. We'll go home soon, okay? Are you hungry?
You know, you must really love this little girl a great deal.
I do. You know, I feel very lucky. I'm very grateful to God. Because at this point in my life, when the end is near,
I'm suddenly surrounded by so many beautiful things. I know you're wondering why I bother with someone like Geoffrey who does not appreciate my love. But you see, the truth is, loving Geoffrey is probably the only thing that keeps me alive. I may not love you, David, but I want you to know I appreciate your presence in my life at this point. Because the truth is, you're probably my only rock, and I'm grateful. You seem surprised to see me. Oh, you thought I'd have died of the heartache you gave me? Look, I'm not here to fight you, okay? I didn't come to blame you either. I just had this sudden urge to see your face, and I thought I'll come check up on you.
Well, Olivia, I actually missed you. Yeah, I did. I missed you so much, and everybody in school misses you, and they've been asking me after you.
And what did you tell them?
Olivia, I've actually been meaning to call you. There's this...
Why? Have you run out of money?
Yes.
So why didn't you call? Look, Geoffrey, there's no need for this guilty conscience you have, alright? There's no rule that says you must love everybody who loves you back. Despite your lying words and deceitful smile, I still love you. Loving you makes me happy. And right now, my happiness is all that I care about. So it's okay. I'm happy doing what I'm doing. Well, I've seen that you're okay. I'm going to go. Check your account tomorrow. I'll pay something for you. And Geoffrey, telling David about my medical condition was totally uncalled for. It's my condition and my business to tell. Okay?
Obi, I don't get you. Huh? Are you such a sadist that you derive pleasure from coming here every time to disturb us? Huh?
Bring me our marriage certificate and I will leave you alone for now.
I won't.
You won't?
Yes, I won't.
Watch me. I will go in there and get it by force. You watch me.
Oh, you won't do that.
Daddy, what is it again today?
Ask him. Thank you.
Mommy, use that money they sent to us to get a lawyer. This is getting too much.
Thank you, my dear.
So you have finally succeeded in turning this girl against me. Eh? By the way, who gave you money? Who gave you money?
You want to know, Obi? You want to know? Trust me, I am getting a lawyer today who will get a court injunction stopping you from coming close to me and Babi until this divorce case is decided. Yes.
So new boyfriends are coming into the picture now and giving you money.
Shame.
You see? I said it before. You are loose. Very loose. You see?
And what are you? You are a dog. Yes, you.
Are you calling me names?
Who started first? Huh? Who started first? Obi, trust me. Trust me. I am getting a lawyer. You better leave us alone. No? Leave us alone. Thank God I have money now. Yes. I am going to get a lawyer today.
Look at you. You talk as if you expect the mere mention of a lawyer to scare me.
Look, what matters is I am getting a lawyer. Yes. And you, I am going to fight you with the last drop of my blood. Yes. And you are surely going to pay for abandoning me and my daughter. Wait. Wait till the court hear my side of the story, and we will know who is the loose one.
Till then, we shall see.
We shall surely see. Yes, Obi, shame unto you.
Mommy, he's afraid now.
Don't mind him. He knows we can afford a lawyer now. My angel, let's get inside. Shameful man.
Are you okay?
Don't mind that, my ex-stupid husband. He has come here to disturb me this early morning. Can you imagine? Anyway, how are you this morning?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, Olivia, I have come to pay your first salary.
Salary? But, Auntie Comfort, it's not even the end of the month yet. Why are you paying me?
What is the point of waiting till month's end when I have the money now? Look, here is 20,000 naira for you.
We agreed on 15. You are overpaying me.
Olivia, it is my joy to share with you what I have received freely from God's sent good Samaritan. Come on, take it. It's our good fortune. And I must say, you've brought luck to my house.
Yes. Well, thank you very much. And God bless you. May He replenish your pockets with this.
Come on, my dear. You don't have to thank me. If you thank me now, what shall I do to the man who sent us this money? Whom I have not worked for? Tell me. And if I ever find out who he is, I will go to him, lie at his feet, and kiss it. Anyway, I have to go. You know we workers at Ministry of Work. We're forbidden from coming even 1 minute late to work.
I understand.
So you take care of yourself and Bobby for me.
I will. Thank you so much.
Hey, don't thank me, huh?
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
No, thank you for using me to bless this wonderful family. It's the least I can do before